I've been using these Turtle Beach Stealth Pros for the past month and a half, and I've got to say, out of all the Turtle Beach headsets that I have used, this is by far the best one that they make. First things first, want to thank Turtle Beach directly for sending this out for this review, but this is not a sponsored post. In any event, I really do like these. And I've tried the Stealth 600s, the 700s, and I even still have, well, those are Rockets, but that's their sister company. I even still use their other wired stereo headphones on a daily basis with one of my computers. And I would love to use this with my main computer, but unfortunately, it does not work with a Go XLR. So if you have a Go XLR, it doesn't work directly. Whether I'm in a Teams or Zoom meeting, editing video, and of course playing games, the quality of the speakers on these cans are top-notch. In addition to premium construction, they have a top-notch application that runs on Windows 10 and Windows 11 that allows you to completely cater the audio experience to your ears. There's a full equalizer with multiple bands that you can customize. And if you use the onboard microphone, you can adjust the noise gate and compressor to better suit your voice. But this is supposed to work with Windows as well as an Xbox, right? Well, this model does, but there's also a separate model that's specific for the PlayStation 5. So when you're in the catalog looking at either one, just make sure you're choosing the correct model that works with your console. But the Xbox One also works with the PlayStation 5. It's just more optimized for the Xbox Series X or S. And one of the parts of that optimization is the wireless transmitter puck. I'm not sure if that's the official name. That's what we'll call it though. This little puck can sit on your desk and it has a pretty good range of connectivity. I was able to walk all the way out to the mailbox and still listen to my music while it was connected to this computer. And for those of you who don't know where I live, it's far away, okay? And one of the genius ideas they had was, instead of just having a battery that you had to charge with a USB Type-C cable, you can actually remove the battery from the headset and charge it in the wireless transmitter puck. Oh, and what do you do in the meantime while this is charging? This comes with two batteries. So you charge one, you use one, and you swap. You use one, and you charge one, and you swap. And with me using this headset almost 8 hours a day, I only have to swap it out every other day, which is pretty good. But of course, this is not a perfect product, although they did give me a nice velvety looking bag. But nevertheless, there is one issue that I have, and that is the tension that I experience with this on. It does work with glasses. You can put glasses on and remove them, so that's good. But there still is some tension with this particular headset after wearing it, even after an hour or so. And while it hasn't gotten to the point of getting a headset headache, which I have gotten from other manufacturers and even some other Turtle Beach headsets, it is something that is noticeable. The memory foam on the band and the cans are extremely comfortable. And yes, while you can charge the battery on the wireless transmitter, you can also charge it with a USB Type-C cable if you prefer. And the controls on this are very simple. You have the noise canceling button, volume knob, on and off switch, Bluetooth switch, and mode switcher. I do wish the volume knob would stop spinning once it hits its max or its min, but at least audibly it'll let you know. And so honestly, the only improvement I would say is that pressure. And again, might be my head or that particular unit. I don't know if it's a widespread thing. Still, if you have any questions or comments, please leave that in the comment section down below. Links, as always, can be found in the description below. And if you didn't know already, we stream on Twitch, twitch.tv/LazyTechTony. We're also on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. And so until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Later.